पूरी तरह से प्रशासन अलर्ट होकर के काम कर रहा है।
ओके,
जी।
और खबर हम यहाँ पे हमारे पास आ रही है राजस्थान से। साउंड्स ऑफ एक्सप्लोजन इन बॉर्डर एरियाज ऑफ जैसलमेर हैव बीन हर्ड. दिस न्यूज ऑफ एक्सप्लोजन इज कमिंग फ्रॉम Mohangarh new area and Nachana. There is no official confirmation that has been made by the district administration or the military agencies at the moment. The army and the police personnel have taken charge in different areas. So मनु, आप बता रहे थे ये जो मोहनपुर में एक ब्लास्ट सुनाई दिया है, उसके नेबरिंग एरियाज में भी ब्लास्ट सुनाई दिए गए हैं. क्या यहाँ पर भी रेड अलर्ट जारी कर दिया गया है?
बिल्कुल, बॉर्डर वाला जो एरिया है जिसमें मोहनगढ़ का एरिया आता है, नचाना का आता है, वह पहले से ही अलर्ट जारी किया हुआ था प्रशासन की तरफ से, क्योंकि ये वो क्षेत्र है जहां पर सीधे तौर पर ना कोई आ जा सकता है, क्योंकि ये बॉर्डर के पास का एरिया पड़ता है। तो वहां पर सेना पूरी तरह से पहले से अलर्ट थी। लेकिन ये धमाके अभी सुनाई दिए गए हैं, 3 जगह धमाके हुए हैं। तो तीनों जगह पर ही लोगों ने तो पुष्टि करी है कि इसके धमाकों की सूचना आई है और पुलिस को भी इसकी सूचना दे दी गई है। वहाँ क्या कुछ अटैक हुआ है, क्या ड्रोन से अटैक किया गया है, कोई मिसाइल अटैक था, इसकी जानकारी और इसकी पुष्टि अभी तक जिला प्रशासन ने नहीं करी है। जी।
Okay. Manu, thank you for giving us that information. So, for our viewers' knowledge, there have been explosions that have been heard in Jodhpur, in Jaisalmer. There has been red alert that has been issued in Barmer, in Jodhpur and Jaisalmer. These are the border districts of Rajasthan. That's the latest that we are getting from our reporter at the site right now. Colonel Virendra Sahi, if you can hear me, the fact that Pakistan has been targeting India in phases. It looks like after a lull of a few hours, there has been fresh attempts being made. As per the reports by my colleague, that there have been explosions that have been heard in Jodhpur. So, what exactly is happening? Do we have Gautam Mukherjee? Gautam, if you can hear me, and talk to me about these blasts that have been heard. And earlier, the targets had been attempted by Pakistan at night. This time around, this is broad daylight, and Jodhpur and Jaisalmer have been targeted. How do you assess the fresh information that is pouring in?
Well, I think that they are planning a land attack in the Jaisalmer, Jodhpur, well, basically Jaisalmer, Barmer area, and therefore the daylight battering has increased, but we are aware of it, and as I said, this has been occurring for the last 2 days. We have observed that. So now it is a matter of seeing how far this goes.
Okay, all right. Still, okay. So now, Gautam, there have been phone calls that have been made by Marco Rubio to External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar. A similar phone call has been made to the Foreign Minister of Pakistan, Ishaq Dar. Do you see any semblance of a ceasefire happening in the coming hours?
I don't think so. I think this will keep on going at the current pace or at an escalated pace for the next few days, because Pakistan in particular has had no successes, and without success they have nothing to show for all their efforts. They will be looking for some success, and that is why they're considering a land war. That is why they're moving their troops forward both in Rajasthan and near the LOC.
Okay, all right. Stay on with me. More information